Hey there, today we are adding a decal around this Starbucks cold cup logo. So the first thing I did was measure it, and it's 2 inches by 2 1/8 of an inch. So I went in to Silhouette Studio, I created a circle that was the size I needed, and then I placed the sun design and resized it around that circle. So this way I know when I apply my decal, it's going to be the exact size that I need it to be. I cut it out using permanent vinyl 651, Oracle 651. Weeded the design with my weeding hook. I love these weeding hooks from Cricut. This one especially is my favorite. And I like to put squares around some of my more intricate designs. I feel like adding the squares makes them a little bit easier to weed, and not so much vinyl is in the way as I'm trying to peel it off. Now, since I'm putting this design on a cup, which is rounded, I like to get a t-shirt or some sort of cloth and set my cup on that so it's not rolling around. I also like to use clear transfer tape with the grid for this so I can see the design underneath and get the placement correct. A lot of times I like to reuse this transfer tape too, so once you use it, you can put it back on that backing and you can use it over again. I purchased this sun cut file off of Etsy, so I will link that below along with all the other supplies that I use. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm using my squeegee here just to burnish the design onto the transfer tape. And now with this clear gridded design, I can see perfectly through. A tip is to use wax paper. The vinyl won't stick to it completely, and just line up the very top part. So here I'm getting my design centered over that Starbucks logo, sticking the top part, and now I will peel that up, take out the wax paper, and peel my design down. Now I start going straight down the center and then down the sides of the cup, and that way I don't see any bubbles. If you have a squeegee, use that. If not, you can use a credit, debit, or gift card. Slowly peel your transfer tape off at a 90-degree angle. I did have two little parts that didn't come out perfect, so I used my weeding hook to gently pick them back up and then put them down nice and straight. On the other side of the cup, I'm going to go ahead and add the name. I love how this yellow looks against the blue glitter. Now the glitter I did apply using epoxy. And then if you wanted, you could go back and apply another coat of epoxy after the vinyl just to seal it all in. With these cups, you need to make sure that you are hand washing. Another thing you can do if the placement on your design isn't perfect, you can see that I kind of have a little bit on the bottom where it's not lined up perfectly to that logo, is just cut out a circle and place it over the design